The recipe I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is for shoyu chicken. It's very easy. It's one of my family's favorites. The kids loves it. The kids love it, and I hope you guys do too. So let's get right into the video. So I went ahead and stuck this in a measuring cup to give you a better measurement. So this is almost a cup, maybe like close to a cup of ginger and garlic, equal parts. And I'm going to add this directly to my blender, and then I'm going to add a cup of soy sauce and a cup of sugar.
Shoyu chicken.
So here is my 1 cup of sugar, and I'll put that in here. And then, depending on what,
So what you need to be doing is put some shoyu.
So for shoyu chicken, of course, you're supposed to use aloha shoyu. But I have a harder time finding it where I live, and I like saving this for my rice. So what I do is I've been using the kikkoman. The kikkoman is a lot saltier. So where I would put a cup of shoyu, I'll probably do half a cup of the kikkoman, and then just add my water. It's not going to be the rest of the way, but usually you would add a full cup of shoyu to your sauce, but this one I'm just going to do half cup. This has a different taste too. There's some kind of different taste in the kikkoman. I don't exactly know what it is. I guess you're slurping in here. Nutrition facts, sodium, 960. Oh yeah, so let's see, serving size, 1 tisp. What is the serving size on this? Serving size, 1 tablespoon, so that would be a difference. No, this is tablespoon, 15 ml and 15 ml. And the sodium on this is 600 milligrams. The sodium on this is 960 milligrams. So that is a lot saltier. So yeah, that's a lot saltier by like 1.5 times. So anyways, there's my half cup. And this is just adjusted to taste. So this is a good way to start. So I'm going to blend this up so it's easier to get that garlic and ginger into a paste. And then little by little I will add water. But this right now is just the marinade. So here it is. Looks like I missed a little chunk of ginger. And to this I'm going to be adding a little bit of this toasted sesame oil. So I would say like a teaspoon. You can add more at the end once it's done cooking, but just about a teaspoon to the marinade is good. I'm not sure. So now is your chance to taste, to see how you like it before you put the marinade on your chicken. It tastes very good. The ginger is very spicy, and the garlic is good, nice and sweet. I think I'm going to add a little bit more kikkoman and call it good. Couple tablespoons. I'll blend this back up and check it again. All right, I blended it up and I check for the salt. I think I'm going to add a little bit more, another tablespoon, and give that a stir. Should be good. Clean spoon. Yes, that's good. So that was probably about 3/4 cups of the kikkoman. Actually, I think I diluted mine already in the jar. I think I put water in here already, if I remember correctly. So maybe that's why. But just go little by little to your taste. So here is my marinade, and I'm just going to put this on top of my chicken. And I'll leave this in the fridge overnight. You don't have to do this, but I really like to do this. If I don't have a chance to marinate this, what I do is I just slow cook it all day, just on the stove top, very slowly. I'll bring it up to a boil and then just let it simmer for a long time. That'll get the flavor inside. So I'm going to leave this in my fridge overnight. I'm going to cover it and leave it there and cook it tomorrow. Alright, so this has been marinating overnight and I'm putting it into my Instapot. And I am going to put this onto the slow, let me see, where is it at? Slow cook. And I'm thinking about 5 hours should do it. And then I'll probably just let it depressurize naturally. So, if I could get this lid on there. I'll have to work on that. What the heck? Seriously, what the heck? Seriously, what the heck? There, it's on. Okay. So, I'm going to put this on... Actually... slow cook. Alright, so I changed my mind. I'm going to put this on soup broth for about... I'm going to put that on for 20 minutes and then I'm going to put it to slow cooker for a couple hours, maybe like 3. Because I want it a little bit faster done. I want to bring it to a boil and then saute. And then cook. So that's what I'm going to do. So this has been done and I've just left it on low. It's been an hour and a half that it's been done and it's naturally depressurized. So this should be, oh, got all steamed up there. Ready and falling off the bone. And that is the shoyu chicken. Okay, so here is my plate. I like to eat this with white rice and of course my mac salad. I have the video coming out for you guys soon, and I just topped this with a little bit of sesame seeds just for like the presentation and some of the leek. If I had green onion I would use that, but I had leftover leek, so that's what I'm using. But that is it, guys. What a good idea too, what I do sometimes is I'll shred the chicken and I will heat up my sauce and make a thicker sauce with some cornstarch on it and have it that way over the top. But even just like this, you can see how tender that meat is, and this is just like one of my favorite meals. I should probably grab a fork, but I'm going to taste this. It's really good. It's really tender and it has a lot of flavor. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and thank you so much for watching.